What up, guys? So a little bit of work that I got to do today is work on my control arms in the rear end. So the ones that me and Twan got way back in the junkyard. The last time that I went and tried to get an alignment, one of my control arms is basically seized up, so I'm trying to just unseize it now. And if not, I'm just gonna have to use one of the OEM ones and like make sure that the OEM has the matching one on each side. So that's what I'm doing right now, is trying to unseize this thing. I sprayed it with PB. You can see it's soaked. I sprayed on the inside and the out. So yeah, I'm trying to just loosen that up and see what's gonna happen. So I couldn't get it unfrozen, so these are the arms. This is on the passenger side, so it's this arm that's been giving me an issue. So I'm just gonna replace these with the OEM ones for now, just due to the fact that since we got an event going on, an event actually coming up, which I haven't told you guys about, but I gotta get my alignment done no matter what. So I'd rather just get it done right for now, and then wait till I get those arms and go on from there. So I'm just gonna do that, put that guy back on, and then should be all set for the night. So out here at Town Fair with Kenny, the homie, hooking us up. Twan hooked us up, so this is the guy that you want to go to get your alignments. He's always out here, so this is what we're doing right now. We're trying to get all this all set up. But yeah, give this dude a follow on Instagram. I'm gonna post it right here. Alright guys, so got the car back. Thank you, Kenny, once again for the hookup with the alignment. He's an awesome guy out in West Springfield, Town Fair Tire. Hit him up on Instagram. I'll drop his name again right here. And yeah, like I said, hit him up, give the dude some business. He's a great dude and he does a great job and he knows his crap. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be heading out to Mark's house. They just hit me up. I guess they're going to be doing a little bit of work on the Z. So we're going to go do that right now. Matt should be there. Boys. Chilling.
We're gonna go get some break dancing skins.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no, you got the daily.
Yeah.
This is down, so no skids today.
Yeah.
But
I got so much crap to do before this sweet thing that's gonna happen. I haven't told them yet, so.
Okay.
About the 20th.
Alright.
So yeah, so
Cool.
since I just brought it up, we're about to have our own private drift day at Thompson. Yeah! Woo! So August 20th, we're having it's like a full-on day, 9 to 5 drift day. It is on a Monday, but like I said, I'm gonna try live stream for you guys some of it, and also have like a whole nother video just for you guys. But the live stream should be pretty sick, so make sure you guys get on top of that. August 20th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And yeah, we're gonna be out shredding.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
That last time.
Man, yeah. Actually, since he just said that to you guys, he's gonna make me cry right now. But
It'll be my last time shredding with you guys.
Yeah.
For a while.
Man.
so why is that?
I leave August 28th for basic training for the military.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Pretty psyched. Pretty upset, but.
Yeah. I'm happy for him. He's wanted this a long time. So this is his dream basically. Like this is one thing that he's always wanted to do.
Yeah.
And
if it doesn't work out, I'll be back.
Yeah.
You know, if it works out, then I'll be back every year for 30 days to hit up some drift spots.
Hell yeah. So that's all that matters. But yeah, guys, I give mad respect to this dude. I give mad respect to this dude. Both of them have served. I have 2 friends that are serving right now. My stepfather has served. So like I said, it's a huge thing for these guys to go out and do that. So mad respect for Matt, mad respect for Mark, mad respect for all you guys out there that are serving and also that are following us. Thank you guys so much. So it's sick. But going on from there, now Mark's getting down and dirty with this girl. So what's going on?
Oil change on the Z right now. I'm just trying to bang it out to get it out of the way so I don't have to worry about it. And then this transmission has to go in because for 3 years, I abused my transmission with GL4 or 5, as Royal Purple likes to state it, lubricant. It's supposed to be just GL4. You can't use GL5 in our transmissions, and it's because of the material that our synchros are made out of. And I found that out the hard way. It lasted 250,000 miles, I'll give it that, man, but lately I've been, as I'm driving, it's hard to get into first. My clutch is working just fine. I know that for a fact. When I'm rolling and I have the car in gear, like under power and everything, it's fine. No grinding, any of that. But as soon as I put the clutch in and I got it in gear, it starts grinding. So I know it's the synchros. It's trying to pop out of gear. Got to get it changed out before the 20th.
Yeah.
So I got some fluid on the way from Amazon, because nobody local sells GL4 lubricant. Then we're going to pop it in Saturday night, I suppose, because it's supposed to get here either Thursday or Friday. And I want to fill it before I put it in, because it's way easier that way.
Yeah.
So my oil change, I use a Napa Gold filter, 1361. Mann and Hengst make the oil filters for Napa. They're really good quality. I've heard that this is the wrong size for the TT filter, though. Somebody would have to look into that. And me personally, and people will probably say this or that about it, but I like to use Valvoline VR1 full synthetic oil for my oil changes. And because we live up in the north, I run 10W30. It's just easier that way. Our temperatures kind of fluctuate quite a bit. But yeah, that stuff right there has zinc for the. Normally it's used for flat tappet cams and older engines and stuff, because of the way that the tolerances are in those engines. But because we go out and we hammer on these things up around like 7K every now and then, it's just good for added wear protection for those for that operating range. So yeah, let's get to it, man.
Forward. Now we're gonna go get some parts for the S13. Check out this ghetto hood.
Hey man,
Look at that.
ain't scratch my window.
Look at that. No scratching.
Left or right?
Where are we going? Left or right, Mark? We're going right.
My side's good, man.
Yeah, your side's good. Alright guys, so we went and got a few parts. Matt got a new steering wheel for the S13 because he's going to be drifting that on the 20th. So, like I said again, we're going to be planning on getting like a live stream going. We're going to have Tony Miranda from Kuro Lifestyle there. We're going to have a bunch of sick drivers there, so it's going to be sick. It's going to be at Thompson, August 20th. If you guys want any more details, just leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to buy your merch. The website is up, and at the end of this video, you'll actually see the website. I'll post the link also in the description. And yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.